Yes, guys, we're going out to the Pussycat on the west side. Hi, my name's Matthew. This is Charlie. Hello to the camera, Charlie. Don't be camera shy now. Yeah, this is Charlie. Oh, sorry, mate. Ooh, you're alright, mate. Wait until that belly buster comes, mate. Oh, you're gonna have about 4 pieces of bacon, aren't you, bro? Yeah. Maybe a sausage or two. Aren't you? Oh, don't be shy. Yeah. This is my mate Charlie, the Pussycat. Going out to the west side, aren't we, Charlie, mate? You tired? Just when it's tired. Right, we're gonna let Charlie get some sleep. She's very tired by lots of things, aren't you, baby? So, yes, guys, we're going out to the motherfucking west side. We need to make the bed as well before we go to sleep. Can't really be arsed, but it's gotta be done. And hey, Charlie, hey? Yes, guys, we're going out to the Pussycat on the west side. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah. You alright, mate? Yes, guys, this is Charlie on the west side. Oh, my toes killing me, Charlie. Ooh. So, yes, guys, we're going out to the west side. There's Charlie on the west side. Hi, Charlie. You alright, bud? You gonna get some bacon and sausage? Ooh, yes. Bacon and sausage. Oh, I hope, do you know what? I hope she puts hash browns on. I hope there's hash browns. You know, hash browns are the best, aren't they? They are the best, aren't they, Charlie? Yes, they are. So, anyway, this is Charlie, and my name's Matthew. YouTube Matthew. Aren't we? Yes, guys, going out to the motherfucking west side. Yes, guys, going out to the motherfucking west side. So, yes, guys, this is Charlie, my neighbour's Pussycat. She's lovely, aren't you, mate? Yeah, you love me, don't you, Charlie? So you bloody well should. The amount of food that we get. Give me a kiss. Yeah. So guys, anyway, we're going to end this video and we'll upload it later on tomorrow.